First off, I'd like to say Happy New Year. It's January 1st, 2020. It's going to be a great year. Hope everybody made it through the holidays safely. It was a little bit turbulent there for a while. Today, we are going to focus on a tuner for the 883. I have decided to put a big bore kit in my bike, a 1250 kit from Hammer Performance. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you the Power Vision. We're going to open it up, we're going to take a look at it, and then we're going to marry it to my 883. So here it is. There it is. That's what it looks like. We've got some instructions on how to download the software for the Power Vision onto the computer, which I've already done. I did it on my MacBook, but you have to use Windows. So that was a whole process in itself, was putting Windows on my MacBook and getting the Power Vision program on there. Looks like we got some instructions and whatnot to look through here about the software, where to plug it into the bike, etc. So in the Power Vision box, you're going to find ECM cable to plug into the bike. I believe there's some mounting hardware in here, some zip ties and some screws that I can plug to strap onto the bike, a USB cable for the computer. So that's what's included in the Dynojet Power Vision box. And I have to say that it looks very nice. I'm not sure if I'm going to mount it to my handlebars. It's another good thing about this tuner is that you don't have to leave it on the bike. Not have to worry about keeping it on there like a FP3 or a Screaming Eagle tuner or anything like that. And this tuner has so many capabilities. I mean, you can calibrate the speedometer with this thing, you can change the rev limiter, so I'm excited to explore that. But for now, I'm just focused on marrying it to the bike and loading the stock tune onto here so that I can send it over to the guys at Hammer Performance. I've thought a lot about installing this kit myself onto the bike. There are going to be warranty issues, obviously. I'm not sure how that's going to play out, but I've decided that I'm going to get the Harley Davidson that I work at, I'm going to get the guys there to install the kit. I'm going to take care of the tune and everything else, but I'm going to get them to install the kit and do the physical work. You know, if anything goes wrong, then they're held responsible. It's not something that I couldn't do. I'm sure that I could do it. It's just all about, you know, disassembling the bike and getting the heads off. So let's get this bad boy plugged in to the bike and see what happens. So I thought that I would have to take the side cover off to get to the ECM, but it looks like it's right underneath here, sticking out. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. The Power Vision is plugged into the bike. I'm going to power up the bike, and it should power up the Power Vision too. Hit accept. Alright, now I'm going to resort to my instructions here. Plug in, power up bike. I'm going to click load tune. I'm going to hit load tune, load copy, load copy of original. This type of tune file is a copy of the tune that was present in your ECM when the Power Vision first locked to your ECM. Okay. Now it's trying to communicate with the bike. I have to hit this run stop switch first. So now it's reading the bike's ECM. As you can see, it's loading. Here's some noises. This will marry the PV to this bike permanently and cannot be undone. Is that what you want to do? Yes, I'm pretty sure that's exactly what I want to do. This device and bike are now married. Alright, so now it's going to tell me to save it in a slot. I'm going to choose slot 1. Select. Okay. And now it's saving the tune. A copy of the original tune has been successfully saved. Now I'm just going to exit out. Exit. And I'm going to turn off the bike. Now I'm going to take the USB cable that came with the PowerVision, and we're going to plug it into the PowerVision and the laptop. So now it's powering up via the laptop. It says PC link mode active. Sweet. So what I'm going to do is click Get Tune on the laptop. Would you like to back it up to your PC? Yes. So now it's uploading the tune, the stock tune from my bike, to my computer. And there it is, copy of original tune. I'm going to click OK. And I'm going to save it to my laptop. I am one step closer to turning my Iron 883 Sportster into a 1250cc. I love my Sportster. I love the 883. I love the bike. I just want some more performance out of it, more power. Pretty much all I've got to do now is get the kit, the big bore kit, into the bike. So that is my next goal. I will be making another video of unboxing the 1250 Hammer performance kit, and I'm probably going to be making a couple videos just following up with this process. Stay tuned. I'll see you next time.